Meaning of diode.
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 Diode. A diode is a two-terminal electronic component that allows current to flow in only one direction. It is made up of a p-type semiconductor material and an n-type semiconductor material, brought into contact to form a p-n junction. When a voltage is applied in the forward direction, the diode conducts and allows current to pass through. When a voltage is applied in reverse direction, it blocks the current flow entirely. This characteristic makes diodes useful in a wide variety of applications, including rectification, signal detection, and voltage regulation.